What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got unlimited FC points for FC Mobile, absolutely free, safe and online. Guys, let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website and type in search FC Mobile and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and now we must enter our user ID. So let me paste my here. Okay, connect to server and let's see the next step. Okay, user found, so the next step is to select our FC points. So let me click continue and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method for free FC points. Resources ready, just scroll down, click verify now, and let's see the next step. Imported guys, we have this message. Okay, maybe you will get anti-bot verification step. Just follow instruction and you will get this message. When you get this message, just open your FC Mobile and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see guys. And just like that guys, look at this, look at my FC points. It's actually generating guys, I can't believe it. Look at this, this is amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.